Welcome to my channel Tech IT Insights. Today I'm going to discuss about the Siebel best practice of the as a new to know the how basic things has to be daily routine check has to be there, check in the system how the components and the parameters the command how should know the even developer also basic things commands to should know the how to check the logs and then how to increase the logs and combine commands from the few concepts. Okay, let's start this. Please subscribe my channel. So routine maintenance and monitoring. So it comes to the in a logs point of view rotation. You have to check this, automate the log rotation, find this useful command. It will be helpful. Monitoring the components like workflow procs manager, object manager, SR broker. Enabling the component alerts by set the alert threshold and criteria component using the server manage parameters. And then if you see the if you comes to the old versions, if you for working on backup and recovery storage, always you check the Siebel gateway and Siebel server object related, and when you are working the old version srf and repository exports, and if you are in the a config files which xml and swt file has to be take backup and recovery storage. It comes to the version control where whole is a config and srf history has to be maintained with this. And now we're coming to the patch and srf deployment. Best practice is to always test new srf with this one box. Avoid deploying srf during the business hours. Common identify current versions you have to find, and then keep the application interface clean. When srm rm command using that, remove the temp file, and you can always find this core ps grip with this file. You can search it and remove the unwanted file which if you don't want. And now coming to the user management, like you want to unlock the user by using this query, you can update as a responsibility. You can find that, identify the uh, sessions which is active sessions, and try to if you want to kill you can kill it. And then you can command component monitoring point of view. You should always list of all the component. You can try to find out all the component and a list of the task which is currently by using this list of task for the component, and then you can enter the by using this command you can find out. If you want to cancel that particular task, you can do cancel, or you can kill the with this kill component task for this also. You can use for the restarting the component, like shut down the component and start, then you can use this one. And coming to the workflow debug. Workflow debug is if you want to increase the logs for the workflow procs manager by using with this you can use, and cancel this cancel task by using the delete this task by using by query you can use it. And suppose you want to change this change the log level for the component E object manager, you can set this by using here. Now coming to the, and you can see the bonus tips for the frequent task set exit exit. And then you can see the srf, and you want to see the always AO login clean up with this monitoring you have to be there. And troubleshooting, when it comes to the troubleshooting point of view, always find out the which is unwanted file, go to the temp file, remove it, and remove the and restart the component by using this command. And then if you suppose workflows are not responding, and restart the file, restart the component workflow process manager. And if you want to change the parameter, just you can set the workflow parameter debug trigger the following. Here parameter has to be set. You want to set this max retrieve 3 and recommended to about with this error true. So with this you can find the. Now coming to the users, a list of all login user base. You can see the distinct task base. Unlock the users by using the query update query. You can update it, and the list of user responsibility, find that based on the responsibilities you can find the responsibilities. Now coming to the monitoring and performance tricks, always identify the status task with list of running tasks, and list of the tasks for the any object manager or the task IDs, task status we can find. Kill this sections which you are, if you are want to a section is still is running, you can cancel the task for the component also. So these are the basic